Snigdha pravidgana shamam sarvasundarya sangraham charavayata chaturabahu sujata ruchirananam padmakosha pralashaksham sundarabru sunasikam sudvijam sukhapolasyam sarva karna vibhushanam. This is Krishna. Lord Shiva is describing his Ishtadev, Vishnu, Krishna. He's saying Sarva Saundarya Sagraham. It's a collection of all the beauty in the world. Sarva Saundarya Sangraham. He's a sum total of all beauty. He has 4 arms and an exquisitely beautiful face and waist, like lotus petals. Sarva Saundarya Sangraham. In some places, Krishna's beauty is compared to the rainfall, monsoon downpour. Because when the rain falls in the rainy season, the whole atmosphere becomes more and more pleasing to the people. After scorching summer, the people enjoy the cooling rainy season very much. They even come out of their houses. No one can say that the body of the Lord is wanting in beautiful parts. Krishna's body is completely Purnam. Everything is complete. God's creation, His beauty and bodily features are all complete. They're all so complete that all one's desires can become fully satisfied when one sees the beauty of the Lord. There are different types of beauties in the material and spiritual worlds, and that the Lord contains all of them, because the Supreme Lord attracts everyone. That's why He's called Krishna. Sarva Saundarya Sangraham, a collection of beautiful